Hello everybody. We're looking at aviation legislation in South Africa. In particularly, we're looking at airline overbooking flight tickets, and that will be our first topic. Our second topic, we're looking at the rights of air passengers and give 5 different types of legislation that's available should you have dealing with a delayed flight, cancelled flights, or your luggage have been damaged. The last topic, we're looking at the airline flight delays due to exceptional circumstances. These circumstances you cannot claim for, delays, etc., because they are considered exceptional circumstances. So should you be interested in only one of these subject matters, use my timeline. You click on it and you'll hop straight into that specific topic. Let's get started. Hello everybody. Let's look at airlines overbooking flight tickets. In South Africa, the Consumer Protection Act, the CPA, safeguards consumers against overbooking and overselling of goods and services. Technically, the airlines are not allowed to overbook flights because the CPA doesn't allow a supplier or service provider to accept payment for goods and services that don't exist. It has become standard practice in the industry to overbook flights. What are the remedies available to you? If you have paid for and arrived on time for a flight that's been overbooked, the CPA gives you the right to receive a refund of the amount paid for the booking plus interest according to a prescribed rate. Second remedy, you can also hold the airline responsible for costs incurred as a result of this overbooking. Thirdly, the carrier could also offer an alternative but comparable flight. So the example of this is that you were booked first class ticket for 5 o'clock flight to New York. It's overbooked. You get offered the same thing except leave at 7 o'clock. If you refuse that offer, you will be deemed unreasonable and you won't get your money back. So only if an airline does not offer an alternative and refuses any form of compensation, you can file a complaint with the NCC. Best of luck. Hello everybody. So as an air passenger, you do have rights. Hello. So passengers' rights vary from country to country, but at their core, they are simple regulations that protect you as an air traveler in ensuring that you are properly cared for and compensated in the event of a flight delay, cancellation, or if your property is damaged or lost. It doesn't matter which airline you're flying with, you are protected by some form of airline passenger rights. In most cases, by the regulations of the territory of which your flight departs from. So let's look at the legislation that's available. Europe, you've got the regulation EC 261. So let's look UK 261. The USA, national USA laws. Brazil, USA, the ANAC 400. And then global, you've got the Montreal Convention. Now, the Republic of South Africa is a signatory of the Montreal Convention. Now, so the Montreal Convention is a multilateral treaty which have been adopted by over 130 countries around the world. So if you have a problem, please research that so that you know which type of legislation will be suitable to your complaint as per the country where you departed from. So if you're using a carrier nationally and you are entitled to reimbursement or compensation, please visit the airhelp.com website. If you can claim for drinks, hotel bookings, and transport tickets. Best of luck. Hi everybody. Airline flights delayed due to exceptional circumstances. Now, if a flight has been delayed because of an exceptional circumstance, that airline is not accountable and does not have to pay compensation. So what are these extreme situations? Bad weather, medical emergencies on board, crew illness with little or no warning, damage to the aircraft from foreign objects such as drones, security threats, airport closures, airspace restriction measures such as bird strikes, and then other manufacturing laws. And we know the Boeing's globally has got a manufacturing flaw that's coming about. It's expected from the airline that's responsible to prove the exceptional situation and show that it's taken all the reasonable steps to minimize the delay or cancellation. Best of luck.